5 years from now, you'll either say, I can't believe how far I've come, or I'm still stuck in the same place. And it won't be because of luck. It won't be a TED Talk, a productivity app, or some magic morning routine. It'll come down to one decision, one choice that looks small now, but multiplies into everything later. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it is powerful, because it decides who you become when no one's watching. And that's the person your future depends on. So before you skip this, ask yourself, what if this really is the choice that changes everything? Every time you hit snooze, you're not just buying 9 more minutes of dream time, you're paying for it with your future. Sounds dramatic, but it's true. Your brain is up to 40% more focused in the first 90 minutes after waking. That's a biological cheat code. And most people waste it, arguing online, doom scrolling for gadgets they don't need. Meanwhile, the people you admire, they're not better than you. They're not superhuman. They're just awake. They don't wake up early because they love alarms. They do it because it's the only time no one's pulling at their attention. No texts, no noise, no distractions, just pure, undiluted focus when it matters most. Not because it's easy, but because they know that window, that's prime real estate, and you're either investing in it or squatting in it. Let's clear something up. This isn't about being a morning person. This is about not wasting your best mental energy on cat videos. There's a difference. And 5 years from now, that difference adds up. It's the gap between the life you wanted and the life that quietly slipped by. But what if you hate mornings? Good news. This isn't hustle porn. I'm not here to bark grind harder while you're half asleep. I'm here to show you leverage, because one intentional hour in the morning gives you an edge over 95% of people who roll out of bed straight into chaos. They don't know where their time went. They just know they're stressed. But you claimed your launch pad. And once you start doing that consistently, you don't need more time. You just need better timing. The first hour after you wake up isn't just morning. It's your mental launch pad. You're running on peak dopamine, your brain's favorite performance enhancer. Cortisol's rising just enough to jolt you into action. And if you actually channel that chemical cocktail, you enter what scientists call flow-prone neuroplasticity. What's that mean in normal person English? Your brain is in wet cement mode. Whatever you pour into it now, it sets. So if you scroll through Instagram drama, you're not just wasting time. You're wiring distraction into your neural pathways. But if you plan, write, move, or learn something real, you're hard-coding growth. It's compounding. One intentional hour today becomes thousands over 5 years. While your competition is still searching for their left sock, you're already in motion, already in momentum. And momentum, not motivation, is what makes people unstoppable. This isn't just about mornings. It's about identity. Who you're becoming when no one's watching. Every single time you drag yourself out of bed and act with intention, even when it's the last thing you feel like doing, you're casting a vote. Not with words, with action. A vote for the version of you that's focused, disciplined, and respected by you. Not the version that almost tried. Not the one that watches success videos while eating chips and scrolling Instagram. The version that quietly builds the life they keep saying they want. One intentional hour a day equals 365 hours a year. That's 15 full days. 15 days of sharp, uninterrupted self-mastery. Stack that over 5 years, you've just earned a master's degree in you. While everyone else debates lip gloss and alpaca crypto, you're building a future worth waking up for. But what do I actually do at 5 a.m.? Relax. I'm not leaving you hanging like your last 5 New Year planners. Here's the 5 a.m. power ritual your future self will thank you for. Step 1. Water. Chug it like your dreams depend on it. Because they do. You just spent the night dehydrated while fighting imaginary villains in your sleep. Step 2. Move. Stretch. Walk or hit 10 push-ups. Existential dread builds character. Step 3. Write. One goal. Not a 30-day vision board marathon. Just one clear target. Laser focus. Domino effect. Step 4. Learn. 5 pages. 1 deep video. a podcast that doesn't involve two bros yelling, "Trust me." Feed your brain, not your feed. Step 5. Protect. This hour is sacred. No texts, no scroll, no email. You're the Secret Service agent, and your focus is the president's baby. This isn't productivity porn. This is reclaiming your edge before the world wakes up and tries to steal it. Let's do the math. 1 intentional hour a day equals 365 hours a year. That's 15 full days. 2 weeks of pure, focused self-mastery. Not crammed into weekends. Not squeezed into maybe someday. Dedicated, sharp, stacked. And if you stack that across 5 years, you've basically built a master's degree in you. While everyone else is binge-watching Netflix, debating which influencer launched a new lip gloss, you're binge-building your future. Because small hinges swing big doors. And this one? This hinge changes everything. It's not a $2,000 online course. It's not some viral motivation video. It's your damn alarm clock. You won't feel it tomorrow. You won't even feel it next week. But give it 90 days. 90 days of showing up when no one's watching. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and think, holy crap, I've got main character energy. Of course, you could always hit snooze. Keep giving your best brain to social media and your leftovers to your goals. Let another year slip by while you watch someone else live the life you keep dreaming about. Here's the hard truth. The next 5 years are coming, whether you're ready or not. But the question is, will you build your future or binge watch someone else's? If you're done waiting and you're ready to silently dominate the next 5 years, subscribe now and drop a 5 in the comments if you're setting that alarm tomorrow. No excuses, no noise, just action. This channel isn't for everyone. It's for those who are done talking and ready to build in silence. Because 1 hour, one habit, one choice can swing open everything you've ever wanted.